Hi there and welcome to Linxup. Today we're going to walk through our system and give you an idea of some of our most popular features. We'll start here on the main map page, as this is where most of our customers spend the majority of their time. On the map, you'll be able to see where all of your different trackers are at any given time. At Linxup, we do offer different types of tracking. You have your vehicle trackers, which are going to be designated by the circle icon, and then we also offer asset trackers, which are designated by this square icon here. You can also see all of your trackers on this left-hand rail, which we'll touch on in just a couple minutes. From this main map page, you can hover over any of your trackers to get the description as well as the current status. If you click on your tracker, you'll be able to see that name again, the most recent check-in, the miles per hour, fuel level, voltage reading, as well as odometer reading. It's also going to show you the make and model of the vehicle, what group it's in, and then also its current location. And you can view that for any of your trackers on the map. Over to the left-hand side, you'll see our rail that has all of your trackers. Give you the ability to group all of your trackers. So they could be grouped by department, by branch, by service, however you want to break it up. All you have to do is click on the group that you would like to view, and then the map's only going to show that trackers that are within that group. You can also pull reports based on group and assign users to groups. Apart from that, whenever you click into a tracker itself, it's going to zoom in to where that tracker is on the map. And you'll see that there is a variety of buttons here. We'll briefly walk through these. The most popular one is going to be Route Replay. Route Replay is going to give you an exact breadcrumb trail of where that tracker went at any given time frame. You can default to today, you can go into yesterday, the past 48 hours, and you can also choose a custom time frame. Down below, you're going to see a miniature safety report card. This is going to give you an idea of the driving behavior during that given time frame. You'll also be able to break down that route even further by being able to view the individual trips that vehicle made. Next up, we'll look at geofence activity. Geofence activity is going to show any geofence that this tracker has interacted with for your specific date range. Next up, we'll have maintenance, which is going to show any maintenance reminders that you might have, such as an oil change. You can also add new maintenance reminders straight from this right-hand rail. Additionally, you can view alerts from this right-hand rail. Again, you can select your specific date range. You could set one date range as a default if you would like, and it's going to show all the different alerts that you have for whatever date range you have chosen. If you click into an alert, it's going to take you to exactly where that happened on the map and give you some details around the alert. As additional features for our Linxup Plus members, we do have both dispatch vehicle and send message, which allows you to send a message to your driver or send them out for a job at any point during the day. We also offer a dash cam solution. So for any tracker that has a dash cam connected to it, you'll be able to see this videos button. By clicking into the videos button, you'll be able to see all the videos that have been uploaded to the cloud. All these videos are going to be 20 seconds long, 10 seconds before the event and 10 seconds after. We have 3 different categories of videos, which I'll briefly describe as I play this video. The first is going to be your camera-generated videos. That includes collision, glass break, and also voice-activated video that your driver can activate just by saying a few words. The other way that you can pull video is going to be related to your GPS alerts. Any alert that you have set for your GPS, you will now be able to pull that video for. So if you have speeding set up, unauthorized use, just as a few examples, you'll now be able to have that 20-second video to go along with that alert. The final way is going to be able to pull video straight from the camera so that you can search through any of your drive time to find the footage that you're looking for. We also offer guard mode for when the ignition is turned off so that you have 24/7 protection of your fleet. The final feature I'll show here is live view, which is going to give you a 1-minute stream of exactly what's happening at that vehicle at the moment. You'll be able to toggle between the outside and the inside and take a snapshot if you needed to capture that footage. So moving right along, some additional features include the ability to set different thresholds for your different alerts. One of those is going to be speeding, so you are able to adjust that threshold so you can decide how fast your drivers are able to go and how many miles above the speed limit they would be able to go. From here, the last thing that we'll look at is our reports. The first report that you'll land on is your reports dashboard. This is going to be an overview of your other reports rolled up into one so you can easily see how your fleet's doing. It's going to include miles, safety, stops, and idle time. If you have any asset trackers, you'll also be able to see the usage hours here. We also have a variety of other reports so that you can drill into any activity that you might be interested in and pull data as needed. One example is our trips report, where you'll be able to see all the trips that any of your trackers have taken over a given period of time. We hope this gives you a great overview of our system, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ever reach out. We hope we get to work with you, and thank you so much.